Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a margarita with Jose Cuervo Margarita mix. First, you'll need your Jose Cuervo Margarita mix, your favorite tequila, and plenty of ice. For a classic taste, a blanco or silver tequila works best. Combine 2 parts mix with 1 part tequila in a shaker with ice. Shake well until thoroughly chilled, about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures a perfectly blended and cold drink every time. To truly perfect your margarita, consider adjusting the ratio of tequila to mix. A 2-to-1 mix to tequila ratio is standard, but feel free to experiment for your ideal strength. For an extra burst of fresh flavor, squeeze in about 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Don't forget the garnish. A lime wedge or a salted rim adds a professional touch and enhances the overall experience. For the best experience, always serve your margarita in a chilled glass. This helps keep your drink colder for longer. If you prefer a different texture, blend the mix, tequila, and ice for a fantastic frozen margarita. You can also get creative by adding fruit purees, like mango or strawberry, to introduce exciting new flavor profiles to your classic drink. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your margarita game. Always use good quality ice. It melts slower, preventing your drink from becoming watery too quickly. Chilling your Jose Cuervo Margarita mix beforehand also ensures a colder, more refreshing beverage. For those looking to expand their financial knowledge, there's a fantastic book linked in the description that can truly change how you think about money. Be sure to check the description for that link, as well as other great deals and resources to enhance your home bar experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.